it is summer now, and as somebody who used to study butterflies in the wild, the qualia you feel in the summer forest is something really special. So in the Japanese rainforest, I think there's this expectation of something appearing all of a sudden from somewhere. When I was a kid, it used to be butterfly. Butterflies would suddenly appear from nowhere, and that was a great inspiration for me as a kid. And when I get older, I also take the inspiration from that experience, because when you live, you don't know what would appear from which direction. So that is a really wonderful metaphor of serendipity and creativity and communication. So I think as a kid I have learned a lot of things from Japanese rainforest.